Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to create a snapshot in GoHighLevel. First, you will need to log into your GoHighLevel agency account. Once logged in, look for the Account Snapshots tab on the left-hand side menu. This is where you manage all your existing snapshots and create new ones. Click on the Create New Snapshot button to open the creation interface. This initial step is crucial for setting up your reusable account templates. Next, you will name your snapshot. Choose a descriptive name that helps you easily identify its purpose later. Then, from the drop-down menu, select the source sub-account. This is the existing account whose settings, funnels, and automations you want to duplicate. Think of this as selecting the master copy. Ensuring you pick the correct source account is vital for an accurate and useful snapshot. A GoHighLevel snapshot is a comprehensive blueprint, capturing dozens of elements from your source account. This includes all your meticulously built funnels, websites, and calendar settings. It also saves your intricate automation workflows, custom values, and trigger configurations. Furthermore, your carefully crafted email and SMS templates are preserved. This ensures that when you use the snapshot, you get a complete, ready-to-deploy account structure, saving countless hours of manual setup. Finally, after naming your snapshot and confirming the source account, click the Save or Create button. GoHighLevel will then process and package all the selected data into your new snapshot. It will appear in your My Snapshots list, ready for use. This powerful feature allows you to replicate proven systems for new client accounts in just a few clicks, saving you significant time and effort and enabling rapid scaling of your business operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.